Hey everybody, this is Clint Arthur, and I'm going to show you how to turn this, 5.54 fluid ounce water bottle. This used to be a gallon jug, but they cheat you out. I think a gallon should be 64 ounces, but this is 54 ounces. How do you turn this 54 ounce water jug into a fantastic clear face mask? Now, you get one of these jugs of water, right? It's really, really good. And you poke a hole right over here. I'd say like right. Okay. Then you get your scissors and you cut around the edge. Now, you know, all these face masks and stuff are all bullshit anyway. But if you want a face mask, here's a nice, easy way to have a clear face mask. All right, that's one hole. Now you need the other side. So we're going down here. You're gonna poke this hole down here. Just get it started. The hardest part of this is getting the water out. Just try drinking it. Just get it started and then cut your way around the bottom. All right. Boom. Then this is going to be the sides. So we're going to go right up the middle. You fillet this baby like a fish, right up the middle. Boom. All right. Now watch this. This is the fun part. Here we go. What do you think about that? I got a clear mask. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if you want, I mean, it holds itself on there pretty good. It really does. And if you want, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim out these back corners over here. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to trim these back corners. See that? There I go. That's much better. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I think I'll trim the top corner too, so it doesn't get me. Trim this top corner. Wow, I'm getting really good at this stuff. Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's really amazing. Hey, there you go. That's your do-it-yourself instant clear face mask with a gallon of water.